This token isn't available on exchanges yet. And that's what's so exciting. If you're looking for a 100x altcoin, I think this could be it. Persistence.one. They're an integral innovator in the Web3 ecosystem. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, for liking, and especially your comments. Please also know that if you get some weird reply from me that says WhatsApp, contact me, I can teach you trading, those are scammers. Please ignore that. I will always reply to you personally. Let's get into why I feel that Persistence.one is going to be one of the really, really big altcoins. Now, if you're already aware of Polygon, formerly Matic, and perhaps you already have that altcoin, I do, and I'm seeing it do really, really well. The exciting thing is that the founder of Polygon is on the advisory board of Persistence.one. I just want to go over some of the key things that Persistence.one is doing that I think you'll see as to why it's a no-brainer that they're going to do brilliantly. So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen. Here we go. All right, so here we are on the Persistence.one website. And I think a couple of the key things here of notes that I took from this is that you'll see here that Persistence.one is developing a suite of financial products. And you can see that here, if we scroll down, they have developed Comdex, which is for commodities, P-Stake, which is for earning rewards, earning interest on your rewards, Audit.one, which is a staking service solution for proof of stake networks. And they're working with all different ecosystems from Cosmos to Polkadot. And then very soon they have Asset Mantle, which is an NFT marketplace, and P-Lend for debt financing as a decentralized app. So I think that what's most important about what they're doing is that the fact that they are focusing on financial products and that they are bridging the gap between traditional finance and decentralized finance. And they already have done millions of transactions, and they have already been working with institutions. They come from that background of working with institutions and seeing how there is a benefit to bringing crypto to the traditional financial institutions and vice versa, of being able to create that seamless, that bridge from taking the benefits of already established system and having more innovation, be able to connect that to innovation that is happening within the crypto space. They're also not just focusing on art and collectibles in regard to their NFT product, which, let me just scroll back down to that here, Asset Mantle. But there's also going to be assets that are going to come on chain. That will be a huge development. And another thing that they're doing here is where we see the staking, the focus here of a P-Stake, and then also with Audit.one, is that they're going to be staking as an asset class. And this is something that normally is not available to regular folk unless you are working with some type of brokerage and you have a whole lot of money to pay to play. It isn't possible. And with that staking opportunity, you can get 7 to 12% rewards. So let's see, what are my other things that I have here? I think those are the other thing is that in terms of the fees with transactions, that there will be, it's going to be just much more cost effective and much more efficient. So that's going to provide huge value in terms of doing transactions and having money flow and business come through the Persistence.one ecosystem. And, ultimately, I think the biggest thing, like I said before, just in conclusion, is that they are focusing on technology trading solutions. And that is in an absolutely huge market. So I encourage you to check out Persistence.one. And let me just show you for a moment here. You can see where I mentioned about their upcoming token sale. They've got a public sale interest form. It's now live. And here, so some of you have asked me about, well, how do you get in on that token sale? If you go to @Persistence.one, and you'll be able to register from the form there. I'll also put that in the link in my description below. So thank you for joining me here today at Crypto Angel Network. Let's see what happens. I think Persistence.one is going to be a huge winner. That's why I'm sharing it with you. I will continue to share updates that I see as they are reaching certain milestones within their roadmap. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, for liking, for commenting, and I look forward to connecting with you next time. Sending you lots of love.